Welcome to this week's video. I am analyzing Xauusd. That's what I'm doing this week. I'm analyzing Xauusd, looking for possible entries and possible trades in the right direction, probably to the upper side. I'm looking for buyers because I'm seeing that there is actually a change of character right over here. You can also classify it as a head and shoulder pattern, or cross-model pattern with the other. What you call it, a shoulder being longer than the other shoulder, so we could be classifying it as that. So I'm waiting for prices to see prices go up, break above that high, close above that high, not just take it out but just close above it, then price retraces back to an order block in this instance, maybe somewhere here. Then we take prices to the higher side. We'll see how this one actually goes, and I managed to close this trade, but I just wanted to see how it will actually end at the very end of it all. Here on Xauusd, saying that let's just go to a higher time frame on D1, and you can be able to see what exactly the trend is telling us and is giving us on what we should be able to see. Let me just take out those drawings for a little while now, a little bit, and see what's happening. So in D1, we are kind of in a consolidation phase after this drop over here. We are kind of in a consolidation phase. So what I'm expecting to see is that prices go up, cover up that fair value gap. Let me just remove all these drawings, all the other drawings, and try to draw new ones. So we have this fair value gap over here on the daily time frame. So if price wants to actually go down, I'm expecting that price should actually go up first, considering that on Friday we left the market with a bullish candle, which was caused by the NFP. We took the bullish candle, but with a week also, that is our sellers jumping into the picture as well, but closing the price with buyers in control. So we might be able to see prices go up to that point of 1947, 43, 46, seeing that prices might reject this point, then come down from here, from that area. Those are my thoughts. I'm not really sure if that might happen. So prices to come, grab that, and come all the way down. Also, not forgetting this place over here, because it's a place of interest as well, where price might be able to retrace from this area and start going up. So if we have the daily candle closing above that high, closing above this candle, so we would have a change of character to the upside, and expect prices to come down, then go up. Expect if price comes and closes above that area, maybe closes even above here, and then price comes down to that area, then prices to be going all the way up again on gold, seeing that we have a breakout structure to the upside, and this is just a retracement happening on a daily time frame. Also, we're looking at this point, also being aware of this fair value gap that the market left behind here, also here in this little fair value gap, or smaller time frame to be a big thing, this little fair value gap. So we have these places that the market would want to reach there and go up afterwards, because we have a very good breakout structure to the upside over there on the daily time frame. And then let's move down to the H4 time frame. Excuse me. Let's move to the H4 time frame. On the H4 time frame, we can see that prices have been moving down. We probably have finished the 3 cycles on the H1 time frame with one first drop, second drop, and this is the third drop. And we have that what looks like peak formation, what looks like a reversal pattern of a head and shoulder pattern. I don't know if that is very visible enough. I'm not really sure. What is a head and shoulder? There we have a head and shoulder pattern. Not sure if it actually makes lots of sense. There we have the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and there we go. I don't know if this could be the pattern of a reversal in this case. It could be, it could not be, however the case is, but I'm actually thinking it actually is. So we might be able to see prices go up, then come back to the neckline over there, and then we see prices go all the way high over there. Let me just remove that so we can So we might be able to see prices doing that, coming back to the neckline and going all the way up there. Remember, this is a D1 fair value gap. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. So if it breaks up and closes above that point, then this becomes our liquidity grab, and we have the market now. We can be able, and then it becomes our change of character over here. We have a change of character here, and the market starts going all the way up. Okay, and then let's look at also other points down here, whether the market would want to come down here. So we have a breakout structure to the upside. We also have a change of character over here, because we had a change of character here that drops, 3 drops to the downside. We had a change of character over there. Now the market didn't come back and fill up these gaps over here, so we might actually be able to also see the markets coming all the way down to fill up these gaps over here and having some sort of change of character right over there to the upside. Okay, so we might have something of that nature over here in this instance here. I'm not really sure, so we need to wait for every possible outcome, what could happen, and we need to be able to trade within those zones. So if we see the market breaking down and coming back here, we are likely to sell over there, reaching to those ends over here, or to even somewhere over here, since we have fair value gap in those areas, and trying to make a pattern here that could make the market actually want to go up. That could tell us that the market wants to actually go all the way up. And then let's move down to H1, which is our last time frame that we'll look at in terms of gold is concerned. Excuse me. So on the H1 time frame, this is what we currently have. Let's hold on a little bit. Okay, on the H1 time frame, this is what we currently have. So I took a long on Friday over here with the news release of the NFP. With the NFP news release, I took a trade over here of a buy, and it actually paid out. It's there on my other video. So we had a change of character right over here, and the market started going up. The market didn't break that high, created equal highs. So hence I'm thinking that the market might actually come all the way up there, reach that order block over there, then come all the way down. Now if we have the market closing above the order block, it means that the market actually want to go up. This is now shifting direction, and it will come back at a later stage to this order block to come and buy it all the way up. But if we see the market breaking down all the way down here, then it means that we are continuing with the trend, selling all the way. So today is a Monday. I don't usually trade on a Monday, on Mondays, due to many things that happen on a Monday that influence the market to go sideways instead of actually having a trend that it moves by, that it moves in line with. And we've been having markets consolidating. Except here there was a little bit of a trend, and then the market consolidated, and then another little trend, market is consolidating. So I'm not really confident on Mondays when it comes to trading, but on other days, yes, that's when I'm really confident. So be careful out there, and always use a stop loss. Check with your psychology as well. Risk what you can afford to lose. Don't risk what you cannot afford to lose. Risk what you can afford to lose, and so that you can be able to come back in the game later on in the future. So from me to you, have a lovely trading week.